Question: what makes algebra so hard to grasp? Well, for many students, it's the language and representation systems that seem abstract. So how can we help students grasp these complex concepts? Meet Graspable Math, a new research-based technology that uses animations and easy-to-learn gestures to make algebraic notation more concrete and intuitive for learners. Just like a friendly tutor, it gives students immediate feedback and helps them catch their mistakes as they work in the classroom or at home. Graspable Math allows students to practice and explore safely by providing feedback to ensure students play by the rules. Experiment with tangible equations, turning algebra into a living thing they can interact with. Engage in playful mathematical thinking by keeping track of steps so students can focus on strategy. Graspable Math Activities allows teachers to create, discover, and assign engaging algebra tasks to students. Watch their students' live, step-by-step work and guide them as they practice and explore. Identify common misconceptions and have rich classroom discussions. Together, these tools empower teachers and learners to approach algebra in a whole new way. Create a free account and give it a try today.